Hello everyone, welcome back to Data Studio4U. This video is about comparison of Ferris wheels from different countries of the world. So let's start. Recent Nord Bohmeister Prater from Austria. Ferris wheels from Turkey, heart of Antalya. These are the largest Ferris wheels from different countries of the world. Ferris wheels from Germany. If you are new to our channel, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Next Ferris wheel is from France. Ferris wheels from Japan, Cosmo Clock. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Deconacia from Japan. Sun wheel from Vietnam. These are the largest Ferris wheels from different countries of the world. Diamond and the flower from Japan. Suzhou Ferris wheel from China. From which country you are watching our video? Share with us in comment section below. Next Ferris wheel, Tianjin Eye from China. The wheel at Icon Park from United States. Which Ferris wheel do you like the most? Share with us in comment section below. Next Ferris wheel from Japan is Red Horse Osaka. Lihpao Sky Dream from Taiwan. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. The London Eye from United Kingdom. These are the largest Ferris wheels of the world. Moscow Sun from Russia is the largest Ferris wheel of the world. Star of Nanchang from China. The Singapore Flyer from Singapore. High Roller Observation from United States. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe for more videos.